What if the universe doesn't end in a fireball or a frozen void, but in a violent unraveling of space itself? This is the terrifying scenario known as the Big Rip, a cosmic apocalypse in which everything, from galaxies to atoms, is torn apart by the accelerating expansion of the universe. It starts slowly. The universe is already expanding. We've known that for a century. But recent discoveries show that this expansion is speeding up, driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy. And in the Big Rip theory, this dark energy doesn't just accelerate expansion. It accelerates without end. First, the gravitational bonds that hold galaxy clusters together would fail. The great cosmic cities of the universe would drift apart, slowly at first, then faster and faster, until no galaxy could see another. Each would float in total isolation in an ever-expanding void. But it wouldn't stop there. As expansion continues, it overpowers the gravity that holds individual galaxies together. The Milky Way, our home, would dissolve. Hundreds of billions of stars would scatter across the darkness, each fleeing the center at increasing speeds. And still, the acceleration would continue. Soon, solar systems begin to unravel. The gravity that holds planets in orbit would be overwhelmed. Earth would drift away from the sun, then from the moon, then from everything else. The solar system, gone. But even then, the ripping isn't done. Next, the force of expansion becomes so great it starts to disrupt individual planets. Tectonic plates split, atmospheres detach, mountains stretch and crumble. And finally, the last stage, the atomic scale, the strong nuclear force, the fundamental glue that holds protons and neutrons inside every atom, is no match for the expanding fabric of space. Atoms themselves are torn apart. Matter ceases to exist in any recognizable form. Reality breaks down. All of this happens in sequence. Galaxies, stars, planets, atoms, ripped apart by the ever-growing expansion of the universe. Time, space, and physics themselves unravel. According to some models, this could happen 120 billion years from now. But it might come sooner, depending on the nature of dark energy. And the most chilling part? We're not sure what dark energy is. We don't know if it's constant or getting stronger. If it's increasing, even slightly, the Big Rip is not just a possibility. It's inevitable. And no force in the universe, no black hole, no neutron star, no alien technology could stop it. So why do we explore such a terrifying end? Because understanding how the universe might end teaches us more about how it began. And in that knowledge, we find something beautiful. We live in a rare moment, between a beginning of fire and a possible end of fragmentation. A universe of structure, of galaxies, of stars, of life. It will not last forever, but for now, we are here. And while we are, we must look outward, not in fear, but in awe, because even the most terrifying truths about the cosmos are still part of the story, our story.